How to fix Roblox Premium not showing up. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix Roblox Premium isn't showing up after purchase. Now it could be due to several reasons including payment issue, account settings, or Roblox internal process. To troubleshoot or to fix it, so you could actually verify your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Expired or canceled credit card or insufficient gift card credits can prevent renewal, such as Roblox sees the Roblox support. So what you could do is you could simply try updating your payment method and see that works or not. If the issue still persists on, you could also try checking the balance. You want to log into your Roblox account where you purchased the premium and verify that you have expected Roblox balance as well. And next, what you could do is you could also make sure that you're logged into a correct Roblox account. Premium subscriptions are tied to specific accounts only, and see that works or not. The last alternative would be to contact the support team. If nothing seems to be working out, you want to go to the gear icon or the menu or the more button, and here you want to go to help and safety, and then you want to go to violations and appeal, and you could go and state about the issue or submit a ticket. They should be able to look into your matter. So this is how you could fix Roblox Premium not showing up. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.